bright.
Alright, what are you doing?
I'm going to be making hummingbird juice. Water? I don't know. But it works. So what you'll need is you'll need a cup of sugar, a measuring cup, and a pot. You also need 4 cups of water. Oh, and kicking a cat.
Speaking of the cat, say hi, Mentos. Yeah, he doesn't care.
That was cool.
Oh, well, there was half of it in the floor. Excuse the dirty dishes.
4 cups of water.
We don't care. Because we real.
What? How many was 3?
I don't know. 7, you keep count. I'm the cameraman. I don't do that.
4. Make sure you turn your water off. The water don't go high. And then, you don't worry about the mess with the water you made on the stove. Don't put your measuring cup inside of your sugar because your measuring cup is wet, so it's not going to work right. But somehow or another, pour 1 cup of sugar into the water.
Next time we gotta clean the house first.
Yeah. Yeah. Pour that in. I don't know if you're supposed to stir it. And you want to put your heat on about 6 or so. I don't know. I'm assuming you stir this. So I'm just going to use this to get all the sugar out. We're just going to stir it. And let this boil. It's going to get really hot, so don't have little kids in the room. Don't let them touch it at least.
Yeah, if they touch it, they'll figure out not to touch it again.
Yeah, that too.
Word to your mother.
What? Okay. We're gonna let that boil.
Oh, we're just gonna leave it alone for a while.
We're gonna turn our heat up. Where's the little thingy to pour it in?
What do you mean, little thing?
Don't put your hand in that. It's hot. After you boil it, you will want to let it sit and let it cool off for a little bit before you pour it into your hummingbird juice thing. I don't know what it's called. Feeder bird thing. So it doesn't melt. Bam. What? Salt homies. I'm tweet it on this now.
We'll be back in a minute.